So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to pair two Vizio soundbar together via Bluetooth, dual speaker stereo mode setup. So method first is syncing audio via Google TV or Chromecast. Ensure both soundbar are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then open the Google Home app or the Vizio mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Then tap the plus icon to add a new device or group. Select Create Speaker Group and choose both Vizio soundbar. Set the group as your main audio output in your media app to play music on both bars simultaneously. Second method is purchase a standard 3.5 mm headphone splitter, one male plug to two female jacks. Connect the male end of the splitter to the TV audio output or headphone jack. Use standard 3.5 mm aux cable to connect each soundbar to the true female jack of the splitter. Set both soundbar to aux or line in input mode. Thanks for watching.